I have seen that, out of our comfort zone, because we as jewelers, when we think and when we spend money on branding and marketing, we always have these concern and worries that will this expenditure give us a return? But I think that that investment to connect with the customers became very, very critical for us as we continue to grow. There were tough times. We got some good auditors, big four, big five, into our system as early as 2003-4, who would be there to guide us. And I think that in our journey of getting private equity, of getting IPO, those were the steps that point of time were taken with that thought in mind कि अपने को improve करना है, अपने को अभी जो भी मैं हूँ उससे मेरे को better होना है. So with that learning and that keen mindset that खुद जो भी मैं हूँ, maybe I don't know enough, I need to learn more how to improve, and that was what really helped us to continue to grow. Step by step. Nothing happens fully. Then taking in private equity and my coming in into the business, I think that we learned that how do we understand the mindset of our partners. Franchisee business, getting into the small towns was one of the areas that we did at that point of time. The many people were doubting our actions, were saying that is this the right thing to do? But over a period of time, we realized that sometimes you have to take a risk. Sometimes you have to, do what your heart says rather than what your mind says. And you have to just stick on it. There could be hurdles, but you go on with it. And finally, your belief will come true. And whatever you are aiming and whatever is your goal, that will become a reality.